How to view the calendar by the year on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the calendar app. Then tap on the menu button at the top corner. From here, to view the calendar by the year, tap on the year at the top here. And here you can see you can view the calendar by the year 2025. You can swipe across to go to the next year, or swipe back to go to the previous year. So swipe left to go to the next year, swipe right to go to the previous year. You can tap on the top here on the year number, and from here you can quickly select a different years. And that's it. So 2043. So this is a quick way to navigate to a year that is much further away. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.